Your videos don't get views and you think with yourself, what can I do to change that? Well, you can start by improving your titles. If you want to know how to make titles that bring a lot of views to your videos, then you should listen to these 10 tips. My first tip is, know your audience. Yeah, you probably heard it many times, but it's very important. Who are you creating videos for? What age are they? What type of titles will they click on? 2. Your title should match your video content. Don't use clickbaiting headlines. Don't lie to your audience, because if you lose their trust once, it will be hard to earn it again. 3. Study your audience and answer their goals, their questions or their needs. In addition, once you know your audience, you can create videos addressing their goals as well as helping them solve key pain points. 4. Do a keyword research. There are plenty of ways to do a keyword research with a TubeBuddy, VidIQ or other apps, but the easiest way is just by checking the search bar. How would your audience search for a video like yours? For example, people are interested in a topic and are searching for it, then that topic will appear in the top of search. 5. Include your primary keyword at the beginning of your title, because that ranks you higher in search. 6. Provide a compelling hook. Tell the viewers why should they watch your video. What kind of value will your video provide for them? 7. Create a sense of urgency. Make people feel like they need to watch your video, like this is what they're looking for. 8. Create videos about trending topics. That way your video will get suggested when people watch videos of that trending topic. 9. Keep your title short, under 60 characters, if possible. Keep it as short as you can deliver what you want to tell in the title. Last tip, make sure your video title and thumbnail work well together. Do not make the mistake of confusing your audience, because that can cost you a lot of views. Viewers should be able to understand from your title and thumbnail what the video is about. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on, because more helpful videos like this will come. See you in the next video. Peace.